So hi everyone, it's me Persoj again, and for today's video is another day. Ito yung mga handa namin kapag mag-outing, hindi mawawala yung ating rice. Then again, syempre yung ating sauce. Ito guys, hindi ito mawawala kapag picnic time, no? Ito yung spaghetti and everything during picnic ng mga Pinoy, no? Hindi talaga mawawala yung mga ganitong klaseng pagkain. Meron at meron po talaga, no? So, lechon manok, and then, ayan, lechon manok. Marami naman to guys, but, um, kung ano-ano na lang yung madadala ba? Kung ano yung available, no? Soft drinks, ganon. So, this is during summertime. Yan, hindi pa mawawala yung ating pangimagas na biko. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much, everyone.